Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this fantastic Toyota Prius 1.8 VVT-h Excel CVT. Now this vehicle has currently run 58,793 miles and it's finished in the colour Hypersonic Red. Now it does come with full Toyota service history, it's been well maintained and it's a very fuel efficient and vibrant vehicle. It sits very nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels. You do have your LED headlights which light up the road nicely, giving you great visibility. You also have very stylish rear lights as well, which really complement the look of the rear. This Prius also has keyless entry and go, making access super easy. Here in the boot you'll find 457 litres of boot space. You can fit plenty in there, it's super practical. Taking a look inside to the rear, you do have a lovely black leather interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. There's a pull-out armrest there in the middle seat with two cup holders. Take a look inside to the front, you'll find your leather multifunction steering wheel with the nice white finish on there. Moving to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. Here on the dashboard you'll find your buttons for your heads-up display as well as your park assist feature. You can see your heads-up display with your driving data displayed on the road ahead of you. Your park assist, you can simply select the space you wish to enter and the vehicle will guide you through as it parks itself. Your multifunction steering wheel here with controls for the infotainment system as well as your trip display at the top of the dashboard. You can also access your radar cruise along with your lane departure warning system. You can see your trip display here. You've got access to all of your driving data, including your energy monitor, eco saver. You can see your miles per gallon as well. You also have your navigation, audio, as well as your climate, your driver assist display, vehicle messages, and some vehicle settings, which do include your driver assist features, including your pre-collision warning. You can adjust the sensitivity of it there. You can also access your blind spot monitor there as well. You can also adjust the heads-up display settings. Here in the centre of the dashboard you do have your touchscreen infotainment system where you've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio along with auxiliary input, Bluetooth connectivity, CD player and USB. There is navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places very easily. You do also have your Bluetooth telephone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. You also have your Toyota online system where you can access email, even applications as well. Here in your car menu, you've got access to your trip information. You can see past records and your trip data. You can also see your energy monitor there for the hybrid system. Along with the park assist, you do have parking sensors as well as a reverse camera to make your parking even easier. Your dual zone climate control here is automatic. It's very easy to use. Underneath there you'll find your EV mode and your driving modes to change the vehicle's performance and handling. You do have your normal, eco and power mode. Tucked away below you'll find your heated front seats with a choice of temperatures of high and low. You also have your wireless phone charger there in the centre console along with two cup holders.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.